All right, hi there. How are you?
I'm the button. And
All right, Hannon.
this is.
You gonna film? You want to film us?
Hello, and this is Snow Tips for you, and this is Alan Bentley, Alan Bentley, and this is Alan Bentley right over there. His name
Wow.
is Alan.
Everybody's seeing double.
Yeah.
All right, I'm reporting here from Chicagoland, where we're supposed to get 5 inches tonight, overnight, but I think we're gonna get. I think we've already gotten 5 inches, quite frankly. So
Wow,
I think we're well on our way there, and I think.
Wait a minute, my slipped in the snow.
Okay.
I think we've got at least a foot of snow right now.
2 foot.
I think we've got at least a foot of snow right now.
Okay, I'll run with that. We just shoveled it.
Yeah.
Show everybody the snow.
Look at it. Ooh, look at the light. Look at timing in my face.
Pretty, huh?
Wow.
All right. Give me a minute. All right. Alan Bentley signing out from Chicago. Bye.